Hi dear visitors, new and old friends of my YouTube channel. First of all, I want to thank all my new subscribers, new friends who joined my channel recently, and I want to invite everybody who decides to share 3 frugal tips for spring cleaning. I will check your videos and link them in the description box below this video. Please check it out and go and watch all the ladies who are doing spring cleaning with us and have 3 frugal tips to share with you. Let's start. My first tip is to clean the window blinds, the most difficult part of spring cleaning. How I'm cleaning my blinds, which are getting dirty very fast. It's actually a tip that you may use not only for spring cleaning but throughout the year. So this type of dirt goes away very fast if you use, ta-da, this is a DIY item. You just hot glue the sponges on the sides from inside on this type of whisk. After using, you may either wash it, or if it's already old, you may throw away and glue another one, a new one. You can buy it from anywhere. You see this type of thin sponges I purchased from Dollar Tree, buying in a pack of 6. So you just need to go from the top all the way by pressing it to the bottom, like so. And you will see the dust and dirt on your sponge. But before you do it, you need to spray your sponges with this mixture, which is a mixture of water, some vinegar, some scented oil, any scent that you prefer, and a little bit of dish soap. And after that, you may clean it or wipe each blind with some type of wet towel. Okay, let's continue with my second tip. What do you do with the sponges when they get old? Do you throw them away? I don't, because you may use it to wash your window protector. So I'm using the old sponges to clean this type of things. You may use it also to clean your bathroom around the toilet seat. So don't throw this away. You may still use them. I want to cut it short and go to the third tip. If you have beads or any type of handmade part on your curtains, how do you wash them? I never put them in the laundry machine. I usually wash them by hand, but first I decide about the product that I'm gonna use on my curtains. So first product that I'm using is actually old shampoos, like baby shampoo. When the large bottles get empty halfway, I'm usually moving the contents into a smaller bottle, which can be either your hand soap or dish soap bottle, or it can be one of the developer jars from your hair color. Like I'm using them, and then I wash them for emptying my old shampoos. You can even use some of the body washes or bubble bath for washing your curtains. So that was my third tip. It's kind of a tag video, so I'm tagging everybody to do this, and tag your friends to join, and let's do a huge collaboration for spring cleaning, like frugal tips. Please share 3 and it will become a huge list of frugal tips. Thanks for staying with me till this moment, and see you next time. Bye bye.